Hello my dear viewers, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study the lesson number 12 of grade 3 EVS, that is danger accident. Children, if you want the lesson number 1 to lesson number 11, I have put the link in the description box. You can refer from there. Okay, in this lesson, we will identify the situations of accident in the house and outside the house. Okay, see here. Observe the pictures below. What is happening in each of the pictures? We have to write in the space provided. Why did this happen? We have to think. Okay. See, in the first picture, what is happening? A boy fell down from the building. Why this happened, children? Because by the irresponsibility. See, all were playing on the terrace. They were flying the kite, and a boy fell down by slipping his leg, right? By slipping his leg, a boy fell down from the terrace. Next, see here in the second picture, a boy had hurt himself in bursting the crackers. While bursting the crackers, a boy has hurt himself, right? Yes. Next, see here in the third picture, what do you see here? A boy slipped by the water, slipped down the ground by putting his leg into the water, right? Yes. Third, see here, a boy is pushing the other boy while playing, right? Yes. Next, see, a girl got hurt her hand by touching the hot pan, right? Without knowing or maybe knowing, the girl touched the hot pan and she hurt herself, right? See here, a boy is putting the earbud into the ear. If we will not put the earbud carefully into the ears, we can hurt ourselves by earbud, right? Yes. Next, see, a girl have cut her finger by the blade. See, by using the blade, a girl has cut her finger. Next, see in this picture, a boy fell down from the tree. While climbing the tree, a boy fell down. Next, see here, down in this picture, a boy fell down from the swing. Here in this picture, a boy is drowning in the water. See children, boy is drowning in the water. Next, see here in this picture, a boy fell down from the wall. Here in this picture, a boy is touching the iron box. If we touch iron box, what will happen? Our hand will burn. So, the boy is touching the iron box. See, these are all the situation of accidents. Now whatever we have saw above, all these are the accidents, right? The girl is slipping down, a boy is slipping down from the wall, from the tree. A girl and a boy have hurt themselves by touching the hot iron box and by hot pan, and also the boy is drowning into the water. These are all the accidents which may happen to us, right? Some may occur inside the house and some accidents may occur outside the house, but they are very dangerous, right children? So we have to be very careful. If we are in any situation, we should be very careful always. Okay, see children, one activity is there. Have you and your friend ever been in a dangerous situation before? Discuss your experience. See, all of you have been any of the accidents, right? If you have to discuss with your friends. If you don't have, it is very good thing. We should be thankful to Almighty God that He have not put ourselves into the any accident situations. If you have any accidents, you can discuss with your friends, okay? And you have to collect the information from the newspapers about the accident occurs as a result of burning of crackers and display it into the notice board of your school. These are your activities, okay? Now you have to know all these things, children. I will read these points. Don't board a moving vehicle. You should not go inside the moving vehicle. You should wait to vehicle to stop, okay? Then follow the queue to board a bus. If you want to go inside the bus, if you want to go in the bus, you have to follow the queue. If you will go in hurry, you may got hurt and you may get fall. So you have to follow a queue to board a bus. Okay, don't put your head or hands inside the window while you are traveling in a vehicle. If you are in the vehicle, see children, every day while going to the school and while coming back from the school, you go in a vehicle, right? So you have to take care of all these things, that you should not put your head or hands outside the window while you are traveling in a vehicle. Okay, and near the home you should not play in the streets. Okay, while going near the tank, well, pond or river, you should be with your elders. So make sure children, you have to be very careful to avoid the accidents. Okay, now here make a list of precautionary measures that you have learned from your experience and the experience of your friends. Like this, you have to make some precautionary measures. For example, should not touch the hot objects, right? And should not go to any of the water bodies without elders' help. Okay, see children, here one activity is there. In the following situation, you have to put right mark for the right situation and for the wrong mark for the wrong situation. See here in the first picture, you can see a girl is bursting the cracker, but nobody is there around her. Is this right or wrong? This is wrong. See in the second picture, a girl is bursting the crackers, but her parents are there with her. So this is right thing. Your elders should be there while doing such things. Okay, see in the second picture, a girl have hurt herself by putting her legs into the glass pieces. This is wrong thing. You should be careful while walking. Okay, in the second thing, you can see all the girls are playing and a girl is taking out those glass pieces from the ground. It is a good thing, right mark. Okay, see here the boys are playing the football in the road. Is this a good thing? No, it is wrong thing. Here all the children are playing the ball in the ground. Is this a good thing? Yes, this is a good thing. So we will put right mark. See here in the last line, all the children are going to the school without making a queue in a hurry. Is this a right thing? No, it is not a right thing. So we will put wrong mark. Here all the children are going into the school in a queue. Is this a right thing? Yes, it is a right thing. So here we will put right mark. Okay, here one song is there. You can sing and you can enjoy. Okay, see, swinging and swinging up and down, Vaishali pushes it fast, Shalini fell down. While swinging, Vaishali and Shalini were swinging up and down. Vaishali pushes and Shalini fell down. It is an accident, right? Next, up and down the tree, playing the monkey prank, climbing and slipping, he fell down. See, a boy fell down while playing a monkey prank, up and down, climbing the tree up and down. A boy fell down. This is also an accident. Leg got fractured, can't walk, oh friend, it has to be plastered, be careful my friend. See, somebody's leg have got fractured. It is an accident, right? So while you play, you have to be careful. Okay, bursting the crackers, enjoy with pleasure. The cracker bursted with a great sound. Bursting a cracker, if all of you love to burst the crackers, no children? So while bursting the crackers, you have to be very careful. It will go inside your ears. The fire will go inside your ears. You may burn your hands and legs. So you need to be very careful. Okay, see, dum dum sui sui cracker, go round on the floor, trying to escape. The cracker hit the eye. Oh, the eye got burning. The doctor bandaged around. I can't see and can't play. No more crackers in future. So here, by bursting the cracker, you have to be very careful. If it will go inside the eye, your eye will burn and you have to go to the doctor to have the bandage. And if eyes will not be there, you cannot see and cannot play. So if you burst the cracker, you should be very, very careful. So this is all about the lesson number 12, danger, accident. As I have told you, if you want the other lesson explanation, you can check in the description box. I have put the link over there. And if you want more lessons like this, you can subscribe to my channel. Thanks for